Well, it was kind of, nerve-wracking at first. There's a lot of older guys that are coming from experience and stuff, and I'm just coming out of high school. So it was a little intimidating at first in a way, but I also realized that all these guys are super cool and, willing to, everybody's collaborating to learn. So I thought that was a really cool aspect, just the collaboration. Well, I was kind of battling between, going to university and a couple college programs. I got into culinary skills program and a business program, and I really just wasn't sure. And then I realized with the help of my mom that, I want to do something active and outdoor related. So we stumbled upon this arboriculture program, and it seemed really cool, so we just snatched it. The teachers do a really good job of cultivating learning strategies. It's not just, the climbing aspect and the classroom aspect is separated. Everything is kind of integrated in each other. So there's a lot of collaborative learning between classes, and I think that if you're looking for any kind of outdoor related career, then there's just so many pathways that you'll come to realize exist if you take this program. So I think that it's, if you're just not sure, that like I was, it could be a great opportunity for you to realize a lot of stuff.